There he is right there. There's the moon right there.
Only DirecTV lets you watch your favorite team wherever you live. Call 1-800-DirecTV.
Oh, there he is in a boat. He says here, and an ocean tumbled by with a private boat for Max, and he sailed off through the night and day.
Watch your favorite team wherever you live. Only on
Yeah, pretty boat. He's in a boat. Yep.
Regular bread.
Tony Romo is coming off just his 7th interception
He's in a boat.
in his last 16 starts. It was
Look at here.
one that comes with an
In and out of weeks
in and out of the hands.
and almost over a year to where the wild things are. Wow.
I told her I've been wanting to get some pictures.
Look at all that water. Look at the wild
I'll put
things.
it on YouTube so you can see it.
It says, and when he came to the place where the wild things are,
I'm not taking
they
pictures, I'm
roared
recording.
their terrible roars and gnashed their terrible teeth.
Well, even though they
And they rolled their terrible eyes to show their terrible claws. Look, they're bad. Till Max said, "Be still," and tamed him with a magic trick. I need one of those. And staring into all their you have your feet on my book. And staring into their yellow eyes. Look at their eyes, they're yellow. See that? Without blinking once. They didn't even blink. And they were frightened and called him the most wild thing of all. Everybody's afraid of Max. Oh, and made him king of the wild things. Look at, he's got a crown on his head. And all the wild things were afraid of him. Can you imagine that? And now, cried Max, let the wild rumpus start. Okay. You keep your feet off my book. And there they are. Look at them. They're dancing. They're dancing. At the moon. How about that? Okay. And then they're playing. Look at them play. Whoops, we dropped it. They're playing. Look at the mama monster. I tell you what, this book won an award, huh? I don't know how come. Look at all those monsters. Must be the drawing, that's all I gotta say. Okay, get your feet off my book. Okay. Oh, now stop, Max said, and sent the wild things off to bed without their supper. And Max, the king of all wild things, wanted to be where someone loved him best of all. He decided he wanted to go home. And then all around, from far away across the world, he smelled good things to eat. And he gave up being king of the wild things. He decided he didn't want to be king. and Cat decided he'd wait on the book.
Now with the wild,